Hello दोस्तों, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Direction 360. In this video lecture, we are starting word association sentence, starting from alphabet I. The first word is Islam. The sentence of word Islam is base of Pakistan, या फिर ideology of Pakistan is Islam. The next word is improve. Its meaning in Urdu language is बेहतर करना या बेहतर करना. The sentence of word improve is improve efficiency with practice. The next word is insist. Its meaning in Urdu language is ताकीद करना. The sentence of word insist is always insists for good deeds. The next word is insult. Its meaning in Urdu language is बेइज्जती करना, बेइज्जती. The sentence of word insult is never insult anyone, or the associated sentence of word insult is respect everyone. The next word is impossible. Its meaning in Urdu language is नामुमकिन. The sentence of word impossible is make impossible possible with hard work. The second meaningful sentence of word impossible is death is impossible to stop. The next word is influence. Its meaning in Urdu language is असर करना, किरदार भी कह सकते हैं. The meaningful sentence of word influence is influence with logic. The second sentence of influence is influence with good manner या behavior. The more meaningful sentence of word influence is always have positive influence on others. The next word is ignorance. Ignorance. Its meaning in Urdu language is अहमदपन या नजरअंदाज करना। नजरअंदाज करना। The sentence of word ignorance is our common enemy is ignorance. The next word is ingenious. Its meaning in Urdu language is खुश सलीका। The meaningful sentence of word ingenious is ingenious people are better speaker. The next word is innocent. Its meaning in Urdu language is masoom. The meaningful sentence of word innocent is children are innocent. The next word is interlinked. Its meaning in Urdu language is बाहम इकट्ठे या मिले हुए। The sentence of word interlinked is rights and duties are interlinked. The next word is internally. Its meaning in Urdu language is अंदरूनी तौर पर। The sentence of word internally is internally leader is strong. या leader must be strong. The next word is improves. Its meaning in Urdu language is बढ़ाना. The sentence of word improve is simply improves love. The next word is ideology. Its meaning in Urdu language is nazariya. The sentence of word ideology is Pakistan based on the ideology of Pakistan is Islam. The next word is innovate. Its meaning in Urdu language is नई चीज बनाना. The sentence of word innovate is GF17 is Pakistani is Pakistan innovative? The next word is injustice. Its meaning in Urdu language is na insafi. The sentence word injustice is injustice cause many evils. The next word is imagination. Its meaning in Urdu language is tasabbur. The sentence word imagination is imagination is valuable to intelligence.